Jake Invest here. What's going on, YouTubeverse? I want to talk about Spotify today. It's a super good stock and it has a lot of potential. However, right now it's not profitable, but we'll see what's going to happen in the future. Let's go over some financials and see if it's a buy. This ain't financial advice or anything, but I do like to talk about stocks and see how they're doing and give my opinion on it and just go over the facts, give value to my viewers. So let's just look at the overview, right? So Spotify doesn't have a PE ratio yet because it's unprofitable. They have a $20 billion market cap, which is actually like not super huge, not like other companies that have 100, 200 billion. So if I were to invest in this company, it could grow exponentially. Once they become profitable, that's whenever investors start getting in. That's whenever people want to actually invest into the company because they see real growth, and that's what we want to see is profitability. So their revenue growth is insanely good, right? Over the last 7 years, they have a continuous growth in revenue, right? They had 9 billion in revenue, but they keep reinvesting into their company. Like they paid Joe Rogan $100 million to be strictly on their platform. So they have like a 22% growth of revenue year over year, and their net income, however, is sadly very negative. You see how the lines go down? That means it's not doing good. That means it's in the negatives and they're not profitable. But they're really close to being profitable. They do have a positive cash flow, $276 million in free cash flow. That is really good for the company. They have extra money on the side to do things with. I'm sure they have a lot of like debt and stuff, debt issued, debt paid. The cash gained from issuing debt or cash spent on paying back debts. A positive number implies that the company took on more debt than it paid. A negative number implies that the company paid back debts. This means that the company took on $1 billion in debts. A positive number implies that the company was a net seller of investments. So here they sold $22 million worth of investments. So they sold a lot of investments year over year. But when I was looking at some articles, they were saying that the company, it could be a buy and might be profitable by the end of 2022, maybe the 2023. More likely they'll be pretty profitable. I mean, you look at their revenue growth, they're eventually going to have to become profitable. So they don't offer a dividend. So about 80 something percent is owned by insiders and institutions, which is pretty big amount owned by them. So a small percentage is for retail investors. So their income statement, Spot had a revenue of 11.9 billion and earned 81 million in profits. Earnings per share was negative 59 cents. In the last 12 months, operating cash flow was 365 million and capital expenditures negative 78 million, giving a free cash flow of 287 million. So they have a total debt of 1.9 billion. Anyways, let's see the analyst forecast. So the average price target for Spotify is $152, which is a 45% higher than the current price. The consensus rating is a buy. That's what it's saying. It's saying out of 37 analyst counts. I'm just kidding. Don't listen to me. Don't take it as a buy, Like, I'm not really saying it's a buy. This is what the analysts are saying. I am not a financial advisor, and that's what the analysts are saying. They're saying it has a high of $246 over the next 12 months and a low of 95 and an average of 152. I would take the average more seriously and the low more seriously because you never know what's going to happen with this company, if it's going to become profitable or not. So it had a 1 strong sell rating, a 3 sell rating, a 13 hold rating, a 12 buy rating, and an 8 strong buy rating from the 37 analysts. So a good thing about Spotify is that it has 422 million daily active users worldwide. This marked an increase of over 60 million in just 1 year, right? 422 million people. That is a lot of people. Now, Spotify does sell the data that the users have. Like whenever users go on Spotify, they watch what they watch and then they can like see what they're doing, and then they can sell their data and then give them recommendations and advertisements according to how they feel, and I think they might be able to like see other things, but they sell your data and make more money, which is good for investors. But I disagree with that model. I don't think that people should sell people's data, but you can go into your settings on Spotify and turn off targeted ads so that they don't take your data and sell it. So that's a good thing. You can turn it off. You have the option. So if we look at the articles, a lot of them say Spotify stock is a buy for long-time growth investors. Some say it's a stock with a sell recommendation. So a lot of people are saying it's a sell. A lot of people are saying it's a buy. That's up to you to make. I just wanted to give you the financials and stuff about it. It's possibly going to be able to be profitable in a year or two. So that's up to you. I think that the market can still crash because of this upcoming recession and future rate hikes. So you got to watch out for the future rate hikes that are coming. And every time that the Fed raises rates, the stock market crashes even more. A lot of bad shit's happening. So I'm personally going to hold my money and not invest in any stocks yet, and just dollar cost average into my ETFs like VTI, VGT, VT, and VU. Those are some ETFs that I like. So I normally just go into VTI and possibly VGT. But hey, that's just my opinion, and that's what I do. I'm holding cash. I'm saving money. I don't want to keep putting money into this market right now because it's losing a lot of money. But hey, comment down below and let me know what you want to see from me, and I will make videos on it. Like and subscribe, please. And if you don't like this video, just like and subscribe. I want to grow this channel and give value to future investors, or give value to investors, people that really want to like learn about a stock. I'm learning more too. Like I study every day about finances and how to read the balance sheet and all that stuff so that I can give you more information and I can learn more information. I actually want to know how to dig in deep into a stock, not just read comments on YouTube or watch stupid YouTube videos that just tell people to buy stocks because the revenue growth. Yeah, no. That's just I want to look fundamentally into the company. So obviously this is the end of the video, and if you stayed this long, you're awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you later.